हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। आप लोगों का इंतजार खत्म हुआ। कोर्स 6 का जो ये ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस का ये सीरीज है, आप बढ़िया से देखिए। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं और 80 से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस इसमें हैं। आइए शुरू करते हैं। द साइन ऑफ फोर कंप्राइज्ड ऑफ ऑप्शन ए मोहम्मद सिंह, अब्दुल्ला खान, दोस्त अकबर एंड जोनाथन स्मॉल। राइट, ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. Muhammad Singh involved him in his plot to kill a merchant whose name was option D, Achmet. Which of these characters helped Small steal the treasure from the Sholtos? Option C, Tonga. Question number 4. How does Sherlock cope with not having a mystery to solve? Option B, he uses drugs. Question number 5. Where is Mary's father staying when he disappears? Option B, at the Langham Hotel. Question number 6. What sort of gem did Major Sholto send to Mary? Option B, pearls. What relationship do Watson and Mary have at the end of the novel? Option B, fiancés. Question number 8. What sort of farm did Small work on after losing his leg? Option C, indigo farm. What did Small do with the treasure? Option D, dumped into the Thames River. Question number 10. Which item provides the scent that Toby follow as part of the investigation? Option D, creosote. यह एक प्रकार का केमिकल होता है जो कि लकड़ी से निकाला जाता है. ठीक है. Question number 11. How did Small enter the Sholto's house? Option A, through the window. Question number 12. How did Small lose his leg? Option B, crocodile. Question number 13. Why did Sherlock go about in disguise? Option B, he got better information. Question number 14. How much was the treasure worth? Option C, £500,000 sterling. Question number 15. How many times a day does Sherlock take cocaine? Option C, 3 times. Question number 16. What does Holmes say are the 3 most important qualities necessary for the ideal detective? Option D, observation, dedication and knowledge. Question number 17. What does Holmes say he cannot live without? Option B, brain work. Question number 18. What is the name of Mrs. Marston's employer who is never arrested? Option D, Mrs. Forrester. Question number 19. How did Major Sholto and Captain Marston know each other? Option D, from their time serving in India as officers. Question number 20. When Holmes and Watson meet Thaddeus in his home, he tells them he has to take them to meet his Option C, twin brother Bartholomew Sholto. Question number 21. Who killed Bartholomew by poisonous dart? Option A, Tonga. ये वही था जो अंडमान आइलैंड पे रहता था और जोनाथन स्मॉल का बहुत ही चहेता था. उसने ही सारी चीजें की थी, मदद की थी जोनाथन स्मॉल को वहां से भागने में भी. राइट. Question number 22. Thaddeus tells Watson, Holmes and Marston that his father had always had a fear of. Option D, a wooden-legged man. जिसे आप किसे कहेंगे? जोनाथन स्मॉल को. उसका एक पैर लकड़ी का था. Question number 23. Thaddeus recounts his father's dying wishes to Mrs. Marston, Holmes and Watson. He says that his father, consumed with guilt, wanted him and his brother Bartholomew to give Mary, option A, her share of the treasure. Question number 24. How was Bartholomew killed? Option A, poisonous dart or poison dart. Holmes gives a demonstration. What do we see him deduce? What about the murderers? Option B, it was a wooden-legged man and accomplice. Question 26. Name the inspector who interrupts Holmes' investigation. Option B, Athelney Jones. Question number 27. Who does Jones want to blame for the murder of Bartholomew Sholto? Option C. Thaddeus Sholto, जो कि उसका भाई था, उस पर ही वह चार्ज लगाना चाहता था. Question number 28. Keen to prove Jones wrong, who does Holmes name as the murder suspect? Option C. Jonathan Small. Question number 29. Where does Watson have to go to collect Toby the dog? Option B. Pinchin Lane. Question number 30. Holmes cleverly questions Mrs. Smith, the wife of the Mordecai Smith, and manages to obtain useful information as to what they have hired from Mordecai Smith. What is it? Option A. A boat called the Aurora. Question number 31. After getting stuck in thick mud on the bank of the Thames, who is captured? Option D. Jonathan Small. Question number 32. How does Small escape? Option A. By boat with the help of his loyal friend Tonga. Question number 33. Major Sholto betrayed Marston and Small and does what? Option C. Returns to England with the treasure. Question number 34. The Indian Mutiny laid Jonathan Small back to military service, protecting a fort and the British community sheltering there. Where was the fort? Option D. Agra. Question number 35. What was his job after leaving the army because of his injury? Option C. An overseer on an indigo plantation. Question number 36. Where does Arthur Dent work? ये जो है हिचहाइकर्स गाइड टू द गैलेक्सी से क्वेश्चंस हैं. ऑप्शन सी. इन लोकल रेडियो. इट मीन्स इन लोकल रेडियो स्टेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. व्हाई इज आर्थर डेंट्स हाउस बीइंग डिमोलिश्ड? ऑप्शन सी. टू मेक वे फॉर अ बाईपास. हु इज फोर्ड परफेक्ट? ऑप्शन डी. ऑल ऑफ द अबव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. द नॉवेल वाज फर्स्ट अ रेडियो प्रोग्राम. Right? Option A. Question number 40. The novel is considered, option C, science fiction. Who is Prosser? Option C, a council representative. Question number 42. Ford perfect is all of the following except Ford perfect क्या नहीं था? Option A, a human. Question number 43. What is the pan-galactic gargle blaster? Option C, a drink. Question number 44. What does Ford find out that? Option A, the earth is going to be destroyed. Ford को सबसे पहले पता चलता है. Question number 45. Why do the Vogons destroy earth? Option B, to build a bypass, galactic bypass. Question number 46. What is the heart of gold? Option C, a spaceship. Question number 47. Zaphod Beeblebrox is all the following except. Zaphod जो था सब कुछ था, सिर्फ वो था नहीं तो क्या नहीं था? A human. Option A. Question number 48. Zaphod has, option B, 2 heads. इसी ने ही चुराया था the heart of gold को जो कि spaceship था. Question number 49. Who is Trillian? Option A, a girl Zaphod picked up from the earth. Question number 50. The Vogons, option C, never really evolved much. यानी इनका बहुत ज्यादा विकास कभी नहीं हुआ. Question number 51. What do the Dentrasi do for the Vogons? Option D, cook. वे खाना बनाते थे इनके लिए, Vogons के लिए. Question number 52. What does the cover to the guide say? ये जो बुक था हिचहाइकर्स गाइड, वो क्या बताता था? इसका कवर क्या बताता था? ऑप्शन डी, डोंट पैनिक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 53. The entry for Earth says that it is, option A, harmless. Question number 54. Who is Arthur's friend who is not from Guildford after all, but from a small planet somewhere in the vicinity of Betelgeuse? Option C, Ford Perfect, जो कि एक एलियन था. Question number 55. Who is Ford's semi-cousin, president of the galaxy and a fugitive at the same time? Option C. Zaphod Beeblebrox. Question number 56. Which computer came up with the answer to life, the universe and everything? Option A. Deep Thought. Question number 57. The file that Arthur uses that has deep thought answering the ultimate question can be accessed on which planet? Option B. Magrathia. Question number 58. What computer was designed by Deep Thought and was 5 seconds away from finding the question to life, the universe and everything? Option C. The Earth. 59. Finally, what is the answer to the question of life, the universe and everything? Option A. 42. Question number 60. Who did Zaphod take away from Arthur under the name of Phil? Option B. Trisha Macmillan, जिसे ट्रिलियन भी कहते हैं हम लोग. Question number 61. What is the name of the planetary coastline designer responsible for the fjords of Norway? Option C. Slarty Barfast. Question number 62. How do the aliens torture Arthur and his friend? Option B. They torture by their poetry. Question number 63. What is the name of their depressed robot companion? सबसे दुखी रहने वाला रोबोट कौन था? Option A. Marvin. 64. What species are the hyper-intelligent beings who created the supercomputer? Option B. Mice, यानी चूहे. 65. What do the hyper-intelligent beings want from Arthur? आर्थर से वे क्या चाहते थे? ऑप्शन बी. हिज ब्रेन, उसके ब्रेन को चॉप करना चाहते थे, देखना चाहते थे कि क्या कोड उसमें छुपा हुआ है. 66. Who saves Arthur from the hyper-intelligent beings? Option A. Zaphod. Question number 67. Where does the group decide to go at the end of the book? Option C. The restaurant at the end of the universe. Now, questions from 5 Point Someone. In which Indian college is the novel 5 Point Someone set? Option C. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, right? Question number 69. What was Hari doing when he first met Neha, his girlfriend? Option A. Jogging. Question number 70. Alok left Hari and Rayan after his poor performance in the first SEM. Whom did he go to? Option C. Venkat. 71. Who was Neha's father in the novel? Option D. Professor Cherian. Question number 72. What was Hari's first gift to Neha? Option C. A lipstick holder. Question number 73. What did Hari drink just before Cherian's Viva and got 0 as a result? Option A. Vodka, जो कि एक प्रकार की शराब है. Question number 74. How were the three punished for breaking into a professor's office and attempting to steal the exam paper? Option D. Suspended for 1 semester. Question number 75. Which hostel did the three stay at? Option A. Kumaon. Question number 76. Why was Rayan a hero? Because option A. He saved Alok and Hari in ragging. Question number 77. What was Rayan's favorite subject? Option C. Flumek. Question number 78. What was Operation Pendulum? Option C. To steal IIT exam papers. Right? Question number 79. The main characters first attended which lecture at IIT? Whose was it? Option A. ManPro by Professor Dubey. Question number 80. Who was the person who interviewed Hari for his job? Option A. Kamal Desai. Question number 81. What was the name of the brother of Neha who committed suicide? Option B. समीर, इसी कारण से वह नेहा समीर चेरियन लिखती थी अपना नाम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 82, व्हेन वाज द नॉवेल पब्लिश्ड? ये नॉवेल पब्लिश कब हुआ था? 2004 में, ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 83, व्हिच नॉवेल इज और आर रिटन बाय चेतन भगत? तो ऑप्शन डी होगा, ये सारे नॉवेल्स उन्हीं के द्वारा लिखे गए हैं। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।